What is the cost of hair transplant? So how do you go about this question?
So, the cost of hair transplant would vary, like in our country, India, or US or UK and other countries. There is a lot of variation in the price. We have seen that in US there may be a price range from $2 to $10, and in UK from £1 to £5, in India from 10 to 400 rupees. It depends on the seniority of the doctor, their experience, how often they are keeping themselves updated and going to the various conferences, what kind of planning they are doing, what kind of equipments they are using, what kind of track record they have. And mostly it depends on a multiple number of factors. So it's virtually impossible for us to give a single figure, because that would not fit a many of the clinics. But I would say a medium range clinic giving good results, but at the same time discussing all your points about your hair transplant, being very open about everything. I think that's the clinic for you to decide about, rather
Right.
than the
So there are
cost.
so many factors which decide the cost, and we have to look how many factors are there which decide the cost of hair transplant. So there cannot be a single answer to it.
Exactly.
Right. So for a detailed discussion of cost of hair transplant, you can click on the link above so that you have a better idea, a detailed idea of what all to think about.